Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. Today I come with another motif. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And this is really easy and fast to make. Let's get it started. And I think it's better to make it in another color. I'm going to make it in white one. For the beginning, it's up to you if you want to use magic loops or if you want to start by make some chain. Let's start to make by 4 chain, then do the sleeve stitch like that, and then make a loop. From now on, we are going to start the pattern by chain 4. Chain 4, the first one considered as a double crochet, then another chain is considered as a separation. So what we have to do in these loops, I'm going to start by make double crochet. This is 1, 2 and 3. This is the first one. We're going to have 3 like that, and 1 chain separation. So again we make another double crochet, 2 and 3, make 1 chain. For the next one, because we already have 1 here, just we have to make only 2, 1 and 2. If I join my work to the chain, the third chain at the top, as you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain. This is row 1. For row 2 and the rest of the row, what we have to do, insert my hook in the middle of this space and make 1 slip stitch. Again, for the start, I chain 4. Then in the same loops here, I make 2 more double crochet. When we make 2 more double crochet, it helps us to increase the pattern. So when it comes in these 3, what we have to do, we are going to make front post double crochet. It means that I'm going to insert my hook here in this stitch and make 1 double crochet. When it comes to the next one, I'm going to make it at the back like this. Again, when it comes to the next one, I'm going to make in front. So it means that for this pattern, always we make 1 in front, 1 at the back, 1 in front, 1 at the back. Now, when it comes to the next chain between these 3, what we have to do from now on, we are going to make double crochet, 2 double crochet like this, then chain 1, and then make another 2 double crochet. As you can see here, between these 2 I made 4. Now I come again to the another third part. What I have to do, I'll do the first one, front post double crochet, then I take the other one back post, and again for that one I'll do it in front side. Now it comes again between the separation. I'm going to just make 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now it comes in the third one. I repeat the pattern, but I make 1 in front, 1 at the back, again 1 in front. Now it's time to make 4. I already made 1, so what I have to do, I have to make only 1 double crochet. If I insert my hook in the third one and make a slip stitch, now it looks like I have 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet. Now you can see from now on we have like a triangle shape. Again, I told you it should be repeat. What we have to do, insert my hook in the space here, I make a slip stitch, and then again start by chain 4, and here in the same space I make 2 double crochet, 1 or 2. Then when it comes to my pattern, as you can see, we start with 3. Now we are going to increase it by take the previous row by front side, front post double crochet, 1 at the back, 1 in front again, and like this, 1 at the back, 1 in front. When it comes in these 2, we are going to make it because it's increasing, and another one. As you can see here, we start with 3. Now we are going to have 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means that these 2 we increase here, and these 2 increase in this side. In each row gives 4 more stitch for our pattern. When it comes here in the middle like that, again we are going to make 4 double crochet by make the first 2, 1 chain, and then make another 2 double crochet between. Now it's time to make increase the another pattern. I have here what I have to do. If I look at here, I say, okay, this is the front side, this is gonna be back side, so I'm going to do this one in front side also, because as I told you, in this pattern you should have 1 in front, 1 at the back. It's easy to follow because you can see the stitch. If it's front side, you have to take the other one in the back side. Okay, let's take that one. And also again, if you can see the pattern here, start with 3. Now I have 7, 2, 4, 6, and 7. Now again I'm in the middle of this part. I'm going to make 4 double crochet, 2 the first one, chain, and 2 the other. Let's finish the last part. I'll do 1 in front, 1 at the back. But what is really important in this motif, you are going to keep continue. It's really up to you which size do you like. It also depends on your yarn, because some yarn you have to knit more, some doesn't need too much row to repeat. So when you come here in that one, because we have 2 here and this is considered as a 1, I have to only make 1 double crochet, insert my hook on the third one, and then make a slip stitch. So this is the pattern. Then it comes in the middle here and then make a slip stitch. If you repeat that pattern, you are going to have a triangle motif like this. Maybe I'm going to make 2 more rows and I'll be back to show you how it looks like in this kind of yarn. Now I just finished this tutorial. As I told you, I start with 3 and each row increasing by 4. Now I have 15 stitch in my case because the yarn is like that, but it's up to you if you want more rows or less. It really depends your choice and your yarn. But that's it. I make it another color for you, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.